the ghost. This is where I go back. Welcome back to another episode of Outdoor Cooking, and today we are back at it again with an epic outdoor cooking. And please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. So guys, we're gonna do a little cooking, so let me show you what we have today and the menu. Alright, so guys, and the menu, we have some fish. We have fish already seasoned up. We have a chicken, and over here we have some seasoned chicken as well, but we don't know which one we're gonna go. I think we're gonna do some fried chicken and some roast fish. And for the alcohol, we have some Rare Navy rum and some Campari with boom. Guys, see the fire, you know, the fire up and running. I have Island Adventure over here. Up and running. Here we have RJ. We have Ricky over here doing tea. And then we have Dwayne and we have Demar over here and the adventure with us.
Hello, I'm here doing the aki, you know?
So see the aki.
My favorite.
We are whole heap of aki in the bag.
Yeah, man.
So we are aki and salvage breakfast in the morning.
Yeah, man.
Hand straight. Tough enough? I got tired out come on. Tough man. Tough bad too.
So we're going to do some fried chicken.
French fry.
Well, we're going to do some French fried chicken. So we are get the meat cut up and some stew, right? We're going to make some stew chicken as well.
Hope say you're enough all the time overcast.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright,
Tanisha go and do her thing now.
Season up the chicken. We have some Maggi and we have some all-purpose seasoning.
Yeah, that light up to you know. Rice I go on this.
Beautiful waterfall. Side kitchen, so the pot and the fire. I wait for the hot to put in the chicken. Have the chicken already seasoned up. Alright, and then over here I already seasoned up the flour. The flour I seasoned it up with some the same season that I use on the chicken and some baking powder.
So what's Smith family down on that side? With them thing.
Alright, so if you're ready, make sure go under the skin.
Tanisha go on the chicken.
And a hot then.
Yeah. Can't wait to see that chicken now, watch him. Like even KFC no bad sir. What's he doing?
Oh God, man, I win, man. We know what we say, what we do, man.
Ah, yeah man.
I want.
Live and living. fried chicken here. Man, Kentucky fried chicken style. See the way over there, so I chop up the fire stick to I prep up that over there, sir. What is doing?
Pick up on yourself, you know.
Ah.
Yeah, for the thing, you know.
Fire stick you chop up.
Fire stick, you know.
Alright.
Oh,
Tens, man.
we're on the second batch of chicken. Guys, now get the chicken out. Some finish and some need a little more time in the pot. So this is the fire for the rice. We some put on the rice, but we are going Friday the chicken in the meanwhile.
4 pound shelly rice. 4 pound of rice. Time look over cause me hope so rain fall. Some pot brown chicken. The pot we are using brown chicken. See, they cut up and ready to add to the brown stew.
Ready.
Cheese. Lot of garlic, man. Whole heap of garlic. Half a pepper.
Home style, fry and cook down. And then you have the rice over here. Rice over here a steam out. 4 pound of rice in this pot. We have a lot of people with us today, so we have to cook a lot of rice today. Right, see what's going on with the home style chicken now. We add the season and everything to it, the natural season to it already, so it's cooking down now. I have a little Kelani. Kelani wants to go in the water right now. Once I put her in the water and she get cold, she going to want to come out of the water. RJ, why you do that to the baby? I'm going to beat you.
Fire blaze up over there.
Whoa.
Hmm. You can't cut that in the video. Tanisha says she wants to say the food tastes good. What this? How your food tastes, RJ?
They're getting fish them. Steam, you know. Fish on the grill.